I would like to discuss on various types of thematic investing, understanding various types of thematic investing. Thematic investing can be categorized into various types, based on the themes or trend being targeted. So here are, overview of different types of thematic investing. Number one is technology teams. You have technology teams, and the focus here has to do with investments in emerging technologies and innovations that are expected to drive future growth. Examples include artificial intelligence, cyber securities, and cloud computing. When it comes to artificial intelligence, you are talking about companies that develop AI technologies and applications, whereas cybersecurity deals with firms specializing in protecting digital assets and information. Not only that, cloud computing involves businesses offering cloud-based services and solutions. Number two is environmental teams. Environmental teams. The aim here, is at addressing environmental challenges and promoting sustainabilities. So, example includes renewable energy, which are companies involved in solar, in wind, and other renewable energy sources. Apart from that, you have sustainable agriculture, under environmental teams. So these are firms working on environmental or environmentally friendly agricultural or farming practices. We equally have water conservation, and water conservation actually deals with technologies and companies focus on efficient water usage and management. So we consider number three, demographic teams. We've discussed technology teams, we've considered environmental teams. Number three here is demographic teams. So under demographic teams, the focus, involve, investments targeting, shift in demographic and impacts on various sectors, the impact of demographics on different sectors, on different industries. Examples include aging population, urbanization, and a millennial trend. So when we talk about aging population, we are considering healthcare and senior living solutions designed for aging population. And we equally want to talk about urbanization, which involves investments and infrastructure and smart city technologies catering to growing urban areas. We equally want to consider millennial trend. These are companies catering to the preferences and needs of younger generation, that is, the millennials. We have on number four, healthcare teams. Healthcare teams. And the focus here is investment in innovations and companies advancing healthcare and medical treatment. Typical examples are biotechnology, telemedicine, as well as personalized medicine. And so biotechnology firms are get involved in developing new drugs, therapies, and medical technologies. Whereas telemedicine, deals with companies providing remote healthcare services and solution. They can provide services, over a long distance. We equally have personalized medicine, which invest in technologies that offer customized medical treatment based on based on genetic information. Number five is social impact teams. Social impact teams. The focus here, is investments that aim to generate positive social outcome and contribute to social progress. Typical examples include financial inclusion, education technology, as well as some gender equality. When it comes to financial inclusion, it involves companies providing financial services to underserved population. And in the aspect of education technology, these are firms developing innovation and solutions to improve educational, access and quality. And then gender equality. These are uh, these incorporate investments in businesses and initiatives promoting gender equality and empowerment. Number 6 is consumer trend teams. Consumer trend teams. It's focused on investment aligned with changing consumer preference and behavior. So examples here will include e-commerce, health and wellness, as well as sustainable products. In the case of e-commerce, this involves companies thriving in the online space, companies like Amazon. Not only that, you have health and wellness. These are firms offering, product and services related to health, fitness and well-being. We equally have sustainable products, products producing eco-friendly and sustainable consumer goods. Number 7 is infrastructure teams. Infrastructure teams. These are investment focused in infrastructure projects and technologies that support economic development. Typical examples are smart cities, transportation, and green buildings. When it comes to smart cities, it involves technologies and projects aimed at creating more efficient and connected urban environments. And in the area of transportation, it involves investments in advanced transportation solutions, including electric vehicles and public transit systems. Equally, consider another example here, green building. These are firms involved in constructing energy efficient and environmentally friendly buildings. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. It will do me a ton of goods. Number 8 is financial teams. Financial teams. This particular team, focus on investments in financial innovations and trends affecting the financial industry. Typical example is fintech, cryptocurrencies, and sustainable finance. When it comes to fintech, these are companies offering technology-driven financial services and solutions. We equally have cryptocurrencies, investment in digital currencies, and blockchain technology. When it comes to sustainable finance, these are financial products and services that integrate ESG, criteria. That's environmental, social, and governance criteria. Number 9 is global teams. Number 9, global teams. So this is focused on investments, targeting global trends and opportunities across different regions and different markets. Typical examples are emerging markets and global supply chain. In the area of emerging markets, these are investments in fast-growing economies with significant, growth potentials. We equally have global supply chain companies involved in international trade and logistics. And lastly, number 10, innovation teams. Innovation teams. So the focus here, is on investments, in cutting-edge innovations and breakthrough across, a variety of fields. Typical examples include, quantum computing and, of course, space exploration. It has to do with companies like Virgin Atlantic, involvement in, space exploration and, quantum computing. That's high-level computing that deals with massive amount of data. So you want to get involved in this kind of investing, just pick any team of your choice, anyone you are comfortable with, and see how you could create wealth from any of these teams. These are different types of thematic investings you could then get involved in.